Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, I am very tired. Number one, because I got home today very early in the morning at around 4 a.m. From traveling. We went home, Kisumu County. We went home to Kisumu County because of some reason. Yeah, and now we are back. And I'm a little bit tired, but something just bothered me. I left Fundi with a contract of making for me my kitchen curtain. And when I come here very sad, I'm very sad because you just give someone very simple instructions. You tell them this is what you're supposed to do. You send them a WhatsApp picture. You tell them this is the material that I want. You pay them the deposit as they have requested. Then you sit and wait for your job because you know you've left it to the expert, only to come back and see that this person did the horrendous job that even someone who is learning or starting in this journey cannot do. I'm very disappointed, and this is the only place where I can rant, because after ranting to my husband, then to my sister, this is the other place that I can come and rant. What is wrong with our fundis? Let me say with some of our fundis. Because I just love my fundi who makes for me furniture and stuff in this house, but or is it fundi wanguo? Because you guys, you tell someone just I need this place fixed, and they fix the whole place. Then when you put on your trouser doesn't fit you. Is it fundi wanguo only? Because I don't know, or maybe it is the people I come across. But I'm so disappointed, and I'm going to show that curtain because that was the next home update that I wanted to show you, but it is a flop. And I have to work with that because I didn't have anything there. It was very blank at the moment. So I was not here. I paid her and showed her everything, gave her instructions. Then I requested my nanny to go for it. And her not knowing what the agreement was, she just brought the curtain and put it. And an extra one was left, and she put it where she wanted to put it. Now I have a horrendous bunch of curtains. Let me show you how it looks like. So when I went to her, we had an agreement that I wanted, number one, a white sheer. Number two, make it double so that someone cannot be able to see me from the outside. So I don't know what she thought. So she made 4 of these. 1, 2, 3. Just a minute, I'm coming. I'm doing something, nakuja. So she made 1, 2, 3, and the other one is on the other side of the door. So this has really disappointed me because this was supposed to be double, as in double like this. So when she puts it as double, you cannot be able to see me from the other side. But with this, you can see through my window, and that disgusts me because initially I didn't have anything here. So now, you guys, I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to just throw this. Then the curtains are not of the same size. See, one is floating, one is long, the other one is floating. What do you do with such fundis? Just look at the way this thing looks bad. But I don't know. You guys tell me, because I really trusted in this lady, and yeah, she told me she can give me the best. Actually, I don't have a problem with the fabric because I love it, but that is a horrendous curtain flop. So the other one is on this other side of the door. This is the extra one that remained, and she opted to put it here, but it still looks so bad because I can see from the other side, and that other person can also see me. So that is the biggest disappointment of my life. So what is remaining for me to do is just get new curtains, because I cannot live like that. And I had already paid her for the deposit that remained. She told me, thank you so much, I've done a good job, but right now I cannot send you a WhatsApp picture because I'm so busy, and once I get bundles, I'm going to send you. So by the time she was getting bundles, I was already at home, and I'm looking at the curtains like, what? I do want to curse. What is going on here? Anyway, this is Nairobi. People are very, very slippery, so be very, very careful. It's just because I feel bad because money went into that. I could have just topped up and spoken to another person, and that person could have done the job well, and it couldn't have been disappointing, but I'll just have to work with that for now. But I'm still going to look for a solution because it doesn't sit well with me. I don't feel comfortable at all. Anyway, guys, I have been ranting here, and I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know where it's going to take us, but yeah, we have to create content. Anyway, it is currently 1 p.m. and I want to sleep for the rest of the afternoon until my daughter comes back home, because I also have a headache, I think because of lack of sleep. So I'm going to see you when I see you. Adios.